Alright, so I'm going to go pick up Eric from our school and then going to get Zach's house to go ride some pit bikes.
This should be a big enough flat for this one.
It's like a fucking breaker bar. Yeah. Got big projects going on here. We got the moped trying to get that thing running.
Fuel line on this bad bitch.
Yup.
Tightening up the drain plug.
Alright, so what's the mission here, Eric?
I'm trying to get the spark plug out of this bad boy right here. Oh, goodness.
Yeah, you gotta take that off. I think you have to pop this off too. Dude, the other one, literally, you just undo the...
Oh, she's topped, alright.
Yeah, she's kind of topped. Alright, so basically we're pulling into Cumbies right now. And we got the pit bikes in the back. Eric's being a dick. We're gonna grab something to eat and then we're going over to Eric's house and we'll see you there.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
Got up, wanna keep on start up.
Once again, I'm locked in with TP, we finna make a hit.
I just crossed another nigga over, tell him guard up. Double tap the button up on the key, the car gon' start up. I lost some members at an early age, it let me start up. Chopper gang, the bandit sticks and drums when we march up. I just crossed another nigga over, tell him guard up. Double tap the button up on the key, the car gon' start up. I lost some members at
And I'd have to say that's how you do it in three-wheel drive, you know? Oh, almost clips the wall. Zach, go over the 3 logs!
All right. We just found this sweet jump over there, and then it goes around. So I'm gonna switch over to the helmet cam and do some riding.
Noise.
Do you hear that?
Did you just pull that thing up?
I don't know. No, dude, she's a tank.
All right, so I'm going to go pick up Eric from our school, and boom, we're off. Just gotta start her up, you know what I'm saying? I don't have my goggles on. I can't see. I can't see. I think she's on her way out.
Yeah, she is. Nah, she's still wrong. This thing probably needs an oil change now that I think of it.
Here.
Oh shit! It's
Oh, yeah, baby! Oh,
the XR made it up. Alright. Yeah, like the one that's right next to it. They dug a hole that one time.
that's what we just went back to.
Wow.
He's gonna have to go down the other verse now.
Eric sure did mess up this time.
I think we got missing a little bit of a hook, if you know what I mean.
A little bit. The XR can almost go up the whole thing. I kind of want to see if the TTR go up it.
Oh yeah, well, all day.
Really?
We're gonna have to winch it from this to that straight and pull the whole thing this way. Okay. Alright. Yeah, weather brought to you by Puppuccinos. As you can see, pretty great conditions. It's a solid 78 out today. Nice fluffy powder, nice fluffy dirt on top, you know. Yeah, great conditions for riding pit bikes. You know, we're just whipping shitties in the driveway. You know, just having a great time today, ladies and gentlemen. Great time, great riding day.
I don't know if you guys can see, we're heading over to drop Eric off at his drum lesson. Probably I'll hook your stuff to Eric.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I bet you can't even see me.
Yeah. Alright, we're about to fucking play the funniest prank on Eric. Wait till he sees this shit. Alright. Eric's gonna be having a fun time. I think we might go hit up Walmart, I'm not sure. But I don't know what Eric's reaction. I hope it doesn't go bad. It'll be like Viagra prank gone wrong in the hood.
Gone sexual, please call.
Gone sexual.
So we got the fucking Viagra. And we gotta crush it up. I feel like I'm fucking dealing cocaine.
Yeah, right.
Alright, we're
Going them.
corner in now.
You know, like fucking.
I'm already making a mess.
You know, lick your fingers and you'd be like. Oh no, dude. I think that's good. How you turn the dome light?
I can't see.
Alright, we got Eric in the truck now. We're fucking heading to Walmart and I gotta get some stuff for my truck.
Icy conditions.
Icy, real ice.
Wicked icy.
Wicked icy.
That ice
Hard
on my
ice.
wrist. Boom.
That ice go hard, bro. Alright, we're in Walmart now. Damn, dude, look at this baddie truck next to me.
Deal.
Man, what's that? We'll put a pop tag in.
Let's look at this shit first.
Eric, open up your card.
What the fuck is this?
Open up your card.
Hey.
Open up your card.
Eric, you got a boner?
I think he does. He does. He does. Keep going. Open it.
On those busy days and easy days, the days we were out of step in the ones we were in perfect harmony, those are the days when I am so horny. Life is just when it's being shared with you. Happy Valentine's Day. Sometimes life is hard, but you gotta get through that.
Hey, now ready? Here's your second present. We already put one in your Mountain Dew.
Nuh-uh. Shut the fuck up, dude. No, you fucking didn't. No, you fucking didn't.
Dude, we put one in.
We videoed the whole thing. Holy shit. What'd you let go?
No, I started fucking falling over.
Let me squeeze a bust his cherry clip hold a banana. Shit, I still can't wait to pull up on the block. Ryan found him. I'm flying like a sled in the snow, but I ain't sound him. My hoe know her head fast, she get to showing off.